Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a produce haul. I had to come back to our old stomping grounds this morning to run a couple of errands, and I decided to take advantage of being over here and stopping by the Growers Outlet. You guys that have watched me well know that I love shopping at the Growers Outlet. It's a produce market and they have bulk foods and different things. It's just a really cute little place and they always have really good deals. So since I was over here, I decided to stop by. I am sure that over time we will find other little markets and things over near where we are now, but not quite there yet. Haven't quite figured out the lay of the land yet. So I'm going to go in here and get a bunch of produce and maybe some bulk things. And then this afternoon we're supposed to be getting our new fridge delivered. So I will show you more about that a little bit later. We ordered from Costco.com and it should be delivered early afternoon, so I'm trying to get my errands done this morning and head back home to be there for the delivery. So let's head in and shop for some produce. Ooh, do I need any spices? I don't think I do. They're always so fun to shop for. Ambrosia apples are the best. And I got some plums for Talia. She loves those. Take some kidney beans. They have bulk again. They didn't have these for a long time because of COVID. But now they're back. What happened? It went to go home? Yeah, and did you say bye, truck? Yeah. Are you guys unboxing our fridge?
Yes.
Nice. All right, you got to get all the tape off, too.
Can I keep the foam in one of these?
No, the foam will make a mess.
Can I
Levi?
keep the cardboard?
I suppose. Here's everything I ended up with from the Growers Outlet. Start over here. I got these big plums. Talia loves plums, so I had to grab some of those for her. Got some bananas because they have already eaten the three bunches of bananas I got from Costco just last week. They go through those very fast. I got a whole bunch of ambrosia apples. They were a good price, and ambrosia is one of our absolute favorite varieties, so that's always exciting to find, and they also looked really nice. So got a whole lot of those. 3 onions, just yellow onions, a head of garlic. These are some mandarins. They looked really easy to peel. They were another one that weren't super cheap, but it wasn't terrible, so I just got a few. I got some light red kidney beans, stocked up on that, so we have that on hand for whenever we need it. Cilantro, green onions, Napa cabbage. I love this, and I'm sure Renee will like it too. Just a new kind of cabbage, which is very exciting. And she always says that the white part is her favorite, so this has a lot of crunchy white part on it. A couple of red onions, some queso fresco cheese for like Mexican food, tacos and stuff, and a head of regular cabbage. I got one small head of romaine lettuce for sandwiches and such, some white button mushrooms, and some tomatoes. This is the last thing I got. It looked interesting, so I decided to try it. It's a mushroom seasoning blend. The ingredients were pretty simple and they looked really good. Button mushroom powder, garlic, pepper, thyme, salt, and rosemary. So I just thought it looked fun to try, and it's a Oregon company, and I always like to support smaller Oregon companies, local companies. So we'll see how that is. So the total that I spent there, I misplaced my receipt, but I remember it was $52 and some change. Here's the fridge all unpacked. It actually worked out really well. I drove in from running my errands and I was trying to get back in the time that they said they'd be here. There was like a 2-hour window. And so I got here right at the beginning of the 2-hour window and like they pulled in right behind me. There was one bummer. The handle down here obviously got hit. There's a dent right here and you can see it's not curved correctly. It's squished in. So we're going to have to contact Whirlpool probably and get them to send us a new handle. It was either contact Whirlpool and just try to get the handle or send the whole thing back today. And since it didn't affect the functionality, I figured I would just try to get the replacement part and we'd use it until then. So besides that, everything looks great. I'll show you what it looks like inside. It's a little smaller than our old fridge, but we're going to have a fridge down in the basement also. So this will be our upstairs fridge, and we'll have a second basement fridge, which will be very exciting. The freezer just looks like this, pretty simple. So we are very excited to fill that up. That's what I'm going to be working on this afternoon. This is the fridge that we had in here. When we bought the house, there was no fridge. Look at all those fingerprints. There was no fridge when we bought the house, so we had to go get a cheap one off of Craigslist. This one cost like $200, and we figured we would put it down in the basement as soon as we got our permanent upstairs fridge. So that is the plan. I need to go ahead and empty this out and get this one all organized, and that will be very satisfying. Levi. There's ice cream.